Some superheroes don't just rely on physical strength to fight their enemies. Most of them also have high-tech equipment. The superpower that is present in the superhero has provided imagination and inspiration for technological developments. Now a lot of technology from superheroes that was successfully created by ordinary people and developed in the community to provide comfort. Technology that was once only seen in films and even considered as a joke has now been realized as something real. Unique superhero technology created and designed not by professors or other geniuses, but rather by an amateur in the field of technology. And here is a list of superhero technology made by amateurs. Laser Iron Man. A German technology fan, Patrick Prieb, decided to make Iron Man gloves. As previously known, this Iron Man glove is a mainstay weapon that is multifunctional. Patrick tried to realize the same multifunction gloves that belong to the superhero. Patrick designed this device to be able to issue a laser like that of Iron Man. The laser is capable of firing 800 milliwatts of red laser beam and 3000 milliwatts of blue beam. The power is able to burn several tree trunks. Uniquely, this glove is able to create sound effects and LED halos to indicate this device is ready to use. Users can also press a button to activate this device. It takes 3 more weeks for this device to be fully developed. Iron Man's arm. This man has a new nickname, Iron Man. Sometimes he is also called a Robot Man. It all started 6 months ago. The man, who is often called Utawa Nurdawan, suddenly had a stroke which resulted in paralysis of his left hand. His profession as a welder was also threatened because of his condition. As a welder, he could not work with one hand. He also tried to be creative by making a robot hand. Nurdawan claims that the robot's hand can be moved by brain commands. This tool is believed to be able to scan brain wave activity, which is then translated as movement. So the operation is carried out in accordance with the commands of the mind itself. Iron Man costume. Richard Browning is a British inventor. He recently broke a record for Guinness World Records. He flew wearing a special costume equipped with a jet engine with a speed of 32.02 miles per hour, or about 51.53 kilometers per hour. Like the real Iron Man, Richard flew past his previous expected speed of only 32 miles per hour. For that, he wore a special costume for £40,000. The black costume was made by Richard himself. On the back of the costume there is a jet-powered engine. To be able to fly vertically and be controlled, Richard controlled it with a small rocket-like device attached to his hands. Dr. Octopus arm. An American teenager named Eric Finman has become a byword for robotics and the general public. Eric Finman made the mechanical arm not for personal use, but given to children. Marvel comic fans Restamian, who also suffers from hypermobility syndrome. Restamian thinks he has arms like Dr. Octopus will make daily activities much easier. The design and manufacturing process itself takes a fairly short time, about 6 months. The robot arm created by Finman consists of 4 tentacles that can move flexibly. All 4 are controlled by a microcontroller that is mounted behind and driven by 8 servomotor. The 8 servomotor is then powered by 4 lithium batteries. Number 5. Exoskeleton. A Chinese company, C Exoskeleton Technology, developed a technology that makes it easy for people to move and lift heavy objects. This power suit technology was inspired by the fictional superhero Iron Man, and was exhibited at the 2019 Tobel Maker Festival, where humans who use it will become stronger like Iron Man. Zhao Wang explained, making robotic clothes is used for two main purposes, namely logistics and military. In logistics, these clothes can make it easier for employees to move and organize things. If so far they move 300 objects every day, with this tool they can lift 4,000 objects easily.